Hi class, so today I'm going to teach you 5 simple tricks that you can do on Microsoft Word. So they're going to range from the appearance of a text to potentially things that you would have to do if you work in an office, like admin work, for example. So I have here typed a simple poem about cats. It's very short, but you know, it'll do for what we're doing right now. So the first feature I'm going to show you is how to change the color of the text. So first, if you want to change the whole color of the text, you would just simply highlight right here, and then go to this icon with the letter A, and then the color block underneath. So this, if you hold your cursor over the icon, it actually pulls up right here. You see it says font color, so that tells you what it is. So I actually want to change my color to blue. And actually the good thing is that you can go down here to more colors and it will give you a color wheel where you could customize your own color. But I'm going to settle with blue. But say I want to personalize this poem so where the color for love is a different color, so I would change it. I would highlight that specific word and change it to red. And say I want this color or this one as well. I'm going to try that again. Actually, I'm going to show you a fun trick. So you would just highlight love, and then you would click here to change it. So say you want to revert. Highlight it back, click on black, and then you're back to where you started. The second tip I'm going to show you is how you can do the spacing. So I know for a lot of college classes and even in high school, what you can do is, or what you have to do a lot of the times, you have to do MLA format, and MLA format requires you to do double spaced. So if you hold your cursor over here, you see it says line and paragraph spacing, so you'll click on that, and then you're going to go over to, this is typically the one that a lot of professors will have you choose. So here we are, double spaced. That's what that means. The third feature I'm going to show you is font size. So again, we're going to highlight anything to do with the font. Most of the time you do have to highlight. So we're going to change it. Say I want 18. Say I change my mind, I'm like, actually, you know what? I want 14. I can click here and actually go down. Now we're at 14. Or I can go back up this way. But let's settle with 14 for now. The next feature that we're going to do is font. So we can change our font, and luckily with Microsoft Word, before you really commit to a font, it actually shows you a little preview of what it would look like. So say I want Broadway. Well, actually, I might have to download Broadway, but we'll see. Oh no, it works perfect. So here we are. This is how you change the font. So that's just a little tip for you guys. And then the last feature I'm going to show you, let's get rid of this. This is for if you work in an office. This is something that I actually have to do because I work in an office. Say you have to make tabs for something, like a file. So what you would do is, typically you can go to Office Depot and they can give you file tabs that you would put in the printer where the paper goes, and they'll have numbers by them. So you can go to mailings. If you go to mailings, you go to labels, because we're trying to make a little label like a tab. And the specific label that you buy at Office Depot will have that code, and Microsoft Word has that built-in feature where you can search for your specific code that you have. So you can go to Options, and then say Avery US letter. That's the best one. That's the one that they typically have us use. And 5027 is what we use for, 5027 is what we use for extra large file folder tabs. So we'll click on that, and then Okay, and here we are. And it pulls up a new document, so we have the old one in the back. This is, you can click on the center, file, number 1. And then you would print it, and you're all set. So those are 5 simple features that you can do on Microsoft Word. I hope they were helpful, and thank you for joining me.